Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have a really big iOS 14 hidden feature leak that I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if you've heard of the Apple AirTags. So they're similar to the Tile devices that you guys can put on your keychain or put in your wallets, and it basically keeps track of your items and stuff for you. So Apple's supposed to be releasing their own product called AirTags very shortly, and we haven't really seen anything to do with that, at least up till now. So there's this really cool feature on the Find My app that we're able to add now that shows us that this feature is going to be coming out, and this product should be coming out soon. But before we get started, I'm just going to remind you guys that I do have lots of videos on my channel, as well as daily content showing you guys how to customize your iPhone and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in this kind of content, I'd really appreciate if you guys would consider subscribing and checking out the content, as I'm on my way to 10,000 subscribers. It would really mean a lot. So I'll show you guys the Find My application first. So if we just go ahead and open up the Find My application, we will then see here, if we look through the Find My application, there really is nothing different right here. If you go over to the Me tab, there is nothing special right here that we are not used to seeing. So basically this just shows you everything like where your products are right now. So like my devices, my MacBook and stuff like that. It shows where all that stuff is right now. So what you guys need to do is you guys need to go into the description as well as in the comment section down below. I'll have a link that you guys need to copy into Safari. So if you guys just go ahead and copy that link and paste into Safari, I'll show you guys what it will do. So here's the link right here, Find My, and then double dash items. So if you guys go ahead and click on go for that, it will then bring up this right here. Open My page and Find My. So if you guys go ahead and click on open, it will then bring us back over to the Find My application, and then this is what you will see here. Keep track of your everyday items. Add accessories or other items that are compatible with the Find My, and they will appear here. So if you guys click on learn more, it actually won't bring up anything yet, but you guys can see here it's talking about keys, bags, and bikes and stuff like that, and that's what we were thinking the Apple AirTags would have to do with, so you could put it on a keychain or put it on your bag and keep track of that. So at the bottom here, you can click on add item if you would like to, and you can see it's searching for items. So I don't know if this is going to support the Tile devices or just Apple's AirTags, but you can see it works very similar with how AirPods and stuff connect, so it makes me think that this is going to be Apple's product and Apple's AirTags. And then at the bottom here, if you can click on identify found item, this will also search for lost items and stuff like that. So it's very, very cool. It makes us really get excited about the Apple AirTags coming out. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys this really cool leaked feature that we have for the Apple AirTags coming out soon. This video does help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.